Hola y bienvenidos, chicos, chicas, and chicaxes. This is Papa Loco on the Raddad Cooks network. Today we're going to be cooking out all these amazing chamoy wings of smoky and sweet. Instead, toma to the next party and blow all the pantalons off your friends. Empecemos. First we want to take it 2 pounds of the party wing sections and mix that with a half a cup of the Raddad Cooks chamoy. We're going to wrap inside a plástico wrap and put in the fridge overnight. Next we're going to make the salsa de barbacoa by put 8 ounces ocho negro modelo, reduce it by 50% and then put in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of Raddad Cook homemade chamoy. We're going to stir all this to combine and let simmer for 15 minutes. Now this sauce is going to be muy suave, so if you want to make it spicy, put some of this one right here, Cholula, sweet habanero. We're going to kick it up a notch and make it mucho caliente. Now we're going to pull our wings the next day, pull them inside a tray and into the smoker. Preheat the smoker for 250 degrees and we're going to smoke this for 2.5 hours. Today we're smoking with the mesquite, but you can use whatever kind of wood that you have lying around. Now, después de 2 horas y media, your chicken wings gonna look like this. They're fully cooked and you could eat them now, but we're gonna do the next step and take it to the next level. Put these in the fridge and we're gonna wait until right before the party to do the next steps. Okay, so now there's a party, let's get this going. We're gonna spin some oil on our wings. Keep those tongues closed, okay, homie? Keep them closed, you don't wanna be chewing up your chicken. This oil's gonna help them not stick to the grill and crisp up these skins nice. Also, we're gonna put just a couple shakes of tahini to get the flavors really kicking on these chicken. Preheat the grill to low setting, okay? We want low setting. These chicken wings are all the way cooked already, so we just reheating and getting them crispy. You want to make sure your grill surface is mucho limpio, that way nothing will stick it to the grill. Now that the grill surface is preheated, we can start to pull on our wings. Yo separado my flats from my drumstick sections. Not gonna lie, I'm how you say, wingsist. I just know that they have different turning needs and it's easier to facilitate this when you have the wings and the drum separate from each other. Cada 5 minutos, we're going to turn our chicken, okay? So every 5 minutes, we're going to rotate the chicken. We're going to do this for about 20 minutes. And don't be scared if you got the black on the chicken skins right there. That's all going to be extra crispy, going to seal in the moisture and give our salsa de barbacoa something to stick to. Después de 20 minutos, your chicken's gonna look something like this, okay? And this is done, it's nice and warm, it's crispy on all the sides. And now we're gonna put it into the bowl and spin it with our sweet chamoy barbacoa. Don't forget, keep the tongues closed, okay? We're not ready to chew, we don't chew until we eat, okay? Now give it a nice little spin. Mira those chicken wings, those things look muy bonitas. Okay, now we're gonna pull inside our plato, okay? Whatever kind of plato you have, it doesn't matter. You can put on a paper plato if you like. For the dipping sauce, we made a avocado ranch by put 1 avocado with a 1/4 cup of Hidden Valley. And then we mash it with a fork and spin to combine. Just keep in mind you don't want to make this too far ahead of time because it will turn brown inside the fridge. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and have something new to bring and show all your white friends some new flavors. Thank you very much for tuning in, and on behalf of Raddad Cooks Network, this is Papa Loco signing out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Comment, subscribe.